Welcome to my Leetcode solving session 155 min stack. Okay, so min stack means it's a stack, but there's another operation called the getMin. So basically, somebody give you a stack and you need to getMin. Okay, although I guess all I solve this way has not satisfied this constant. Probably this is constant times hard because usually when you get the minimum, then you need on time. Right, so if your list is n's length, then you need on time. Okay, so but I think this is also the way to solve it. It's basically Python has the Python list is original stack. Okay, so in the first I initialize stack, and then I need to first use push. So push just push element. So I just put x into it. So basically in the Python language, I just use append, and the pop means I just remove the last element because the stack is first in, last out, right? So if I use as a list, then I should pop the final element, right? So I just call it pop because the Python list has pop. So these two are just using Python, and the top is just the top element. So it's the final element. And the getMin just get a minimum, right? So this is somehow like a cheat, right? Because we don't use the other data structure, we just use the min or find the list, find the minimum of the list. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so submit. Okay, so it take a long because this min stack does not satisfy the constant time. Okay, so in maybe in the other videos I will provide more data structure videos to solve it. Okay, and basically, but this video just trying to let you guys understand the naive implementation. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.